Hello Farhan student of class 8th. In this video we will discuss the next important physical division of Asia, that is the Southern Plateau. See in this map, this is your Southern Plateau. Here, see here in this map. Yes. Toward the south of the Central Highland, there are three important plateaus made up of very old and hard rocks, and these plateaus are much older than the Central Highland. So from west to east, how can you identify this plateau? The Plateau of Arabia, number one. So the Plateau of Arabia is a dry desert region with no rivers. Here, no river found, dry desert. It has a steep slope along the coast of the Red Sea. Next is the Plateau of Peninsular India. See here, this is the Plateau of Peninsular India rises steeply and slopes gently from west to east. And here you will find the rivers. This plateau is cut by large number of eastward flowing rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. This river will find here. So this is the one important distinction between Plateau of Arabia and Plateau of Peninsular India. The river is found here, and in Plateau of Arabia river is not found there. Next is your Plateau of Shan and Yunnan. The Plateau of Shan and Yunnan lie in the Myanmar and China respectively. And the Shan Plateau is dissected by the Salween and Mekong rivers. And while the Yunnan Plateau is dissected by the Changjiang River. Here is also you will find the rivers. Next is the Great River Basin. Next physical division is the Great River Basin. So the many rivers originate from the snow-covered mountain and plateau in the Central Highland. See here, this is your Great River Basin. See in this map. And most of this river bring with them a large amount of silt and deposit from them in this valley. Some of the river basin noted river basins are the number one, the Mesopotamian plain. It is formed by the Tigris and Euphrates river in Iraq. Got it? Next is your Indus plain. This is in Pakistan and India, which is formed by the river Indus with its 5 tributaries. Next is the Ganga Brahmaputra plain. It is formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra river in India and Bangladesh. Next is the Great Eastern Plain in China. This is formed by the river Huanghe, Changjiang and Sikiang rivers. And next is the valley of Irrawaddy, Mekong and Salween river. In Myanmar you will find this important river. So this is the Great River Basin you will find in Asia. Next division is the island groups. Several groups of islands lie towards the east and southeast of the mainland of Asia. And most of these are mountain islands surrounded by narrow coastal plain. And from north to south, there are three major island groups, namely, just see in this map here, Japan, Philippines, Indonesia. The Malay Archipelago is the largest island group in the world. So in this map you can see this is your island group countries. So with this chapter is now concludes. So I think you have got it all these things, that physical Asia, why it is called extreme, continent of extreme, important characteristics, location, physical feature we have discussed, political division we have discussed, countries we have discussed, and the physical feature, 5 physical feature, northern lowland, central highland, southern plateau, Great River Basin and the island group, which we have discussed in the map also and in the text form also. So this chapter concludes. Thank you student. Thank you very much.